Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. Shane from GMTFutures. In this video, I just want to take you through a really great opportunity on the crude market that basically runs for about 20 minutes a day. So if you haven't spotted this yourself, this is something that you may want to look at. And we're using the cycle and the trend trader to capitalize on these opportunities or setups. So as I mentioned before, you don't necessarily need to be trading a long time or spending a lot of screen time trading, but you definitely want to take advantage of times of the day where the market's moving really well. So I'm just going to share that with you now. So if we have a look at our charts here, we've got crude oil on an 89 tick chart, and what I've done is I've broken down the two times that we want to look at trading, which is basically 8:50 to 9 o'clock, and then we've got 9 to 9:10. So it's only 20 minutes. That's really the time that you want to look at as far as this example goes. And the cycle trader, I'll just give you a brief description. Now the cycle trader buys support, sells resistance. And what we've noticed is that previously we were looking at the trend trader for that 20-minute period because it was bringing up some really great results. In our live trading session we were getting some super results for just a very small period of time, 20 minutes. But one of our members, Jim Taylor, has just identified that that by breaking the session up 8:50 to 9:10, for the first 10 minutes of the session, you actually get some really great opportunities buying support, selling resistance. So that cycle trading activity, which is here, you buy support, sell resistance, and then you often see that the breakout comes around 8:59, 9 o'clock, and that's where we want to get long with the trend or short with the trend, depending on which way it breaks. So last night delivered 21 points of profit on that breakout trade. A little bit before, obviously 9 o'clock, it was about 8:59, but nevertheless there was a nice setup there, and it was indicative of what we're seeing on a daily basis. So you don't necessarily need to be in the market for a long time, but you want to be capitalizing on the times that have been consistently profitable over a long period of time. So this section of time that the crude market is running on, this 8:50 to 9:10, has been consistently working well for over 8 months. So that gives us a good look at obviously different market conditions. So if we have a look at our results here based on the automation. Now our settings there, I've uploaded our settings to the members area, but it's produced over close to $6,000, and the drawdown on that account I think is a low or a fairly small 940. So it's a very small drawdown, and our average net profit on the trade is 154, which is fantastic because obviously we want to have a high average trade net profit, and it's delivered about $5,420 US dollars. Now that's for, so if we have a look at the equity curve on the trend trader, you'll see that it's only had one losing month, making higher highs. It did have a flat spot, but obviously the cycle trader would have been easing the drawdown there. That's the advantage of trading a multi-system strategy, so trading the trend and cycle together. And you'll see from our results 9604, and you'll also see that the average trade net profit is 48.75, so quite good as well. And the drawdown on that particular strategy, 2300 was the drawdown. Now remember that when you're adding your two strategies together, you add the net. If we total our net profit on the two strategies, we've got 15024 for the 8 months. But we actually don't, remember, we've got to make sure that you don't add the drawdowns together. You actually work out what the net drawdown is based on compiling the data together, which I'll do for you on our next video. So very important that you don't add the drawdown together, because the drawdowns don't usually occur at the same time, or it's rare that they do. So particularly if you're trading two different strategies, the cycle and the trend. So the idea is there that you split the strategies up, you run them side by side, 10 minutes each, and for 20 minutes of trading, that's produced 15,000 US dollars. So that's a super result over that period. And as I mentioned before, the settings for those are the V2 members. I'll be uploading those to the to the website, so definitely jump in and have a look at those. Make sure you take advantage of those settings. So thank you for your time, traders. Have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you on the next update. Cheers.